the government of Manipur claiming normalcy returned in Delhi in an unfortunate incident. Suspected armed militants have shot 3 villagers of Moidangpok last night. The incident took place around 11:30 p.m. The 3 villagers shot by the suspected Kuki militants have been identified as Thangjom Deepak, K.H. Kiran and Y. Nauton. They are from Moidangpok, Awanglekai and Makhalekai. They got bullet injuries on hand, leg and stomach. Talking to media persons, Nauton, who got bullet injury in hand, narrated about the incident in details.
Irang kerja ini napa? Ram dah, ram apa lagi je? Apa kerja lagi berjita? Macam laga, kalau thung tu lepas itu ni, thung tu lepas itu nak thung ini kan? Tahu kapam sakit. Katus kumbu. Saya. Tapi kan di masih ham dah free masih. Primitif adalah mana maktinat atau mereka apa sih mana tung je film bagai sian juga atau pemilik apa pemilik seperti proses lagi jam kain di tempat